Hello YouTube, this is Reggie2524 and I just ordered a Shambles code card so I could get him for mine. It says thank you, your order has been placed. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly. I'm going to be getting Shambles soon. And I did a video it was just titled Shambles, and I showed you like him and what his move was, but for some reason there wasn't no sound. So I'm going to show you what it does this time. Alright, let's move this. Okay, there you go. So you see Shambles down there. Here's what he sounds like. Hope you can hear it. So that's what Shambles does. This is in Spock 30's room, or Spoke. I don't know how to pronounce it. Also, there's Scarlett O'Hara, which was released in the new mission. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll do a video on me getting Shambles. So subscribe, like, yeah, bye.